Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, and let me turn off this music. I'm playing GTA, but I don't know what to do. The first thing I'm going to do is put this car back in my garage. Sadly, my garage is bootleg, and I only have like one shit. Where's my house? Okay. And I want to do a mission. Okay, my first mission is probably going to be to go home. And guys, request a video on GTA. Like, what do you want the GTA video? What do you want it to be about? So I will take this bad boy back home, and I will be back when I'm there, because I don't want to waste my time. Come wait, look at that. It's like a long way to go. But anyways, let's pause this and I'll be back. Something actually happened while I was going home, and by accident I lost my car, and I had to get this car, an uncustomized car that I have. So fuck, man. I'm almost home, so I'm not gonna stop the recording. Looks way too similar to a Mercedes. Yeah, I'm a Franklin sausage, man. There's my other car. What the fuck happened here? I think that car is in the garage, and so please not be in the garage, I swear to God. Oh no, it's not in the garage thing. Boy, if you would have just crashed my ass, bro, I would have raged. What? Um, let me break my car. Oh my God. Hopefully I don't lose this car, bro, I swear to God. If it disappears, I'll be mad. I spawned this, actually. You stay right here, buddy. Okay, good, it's still there. I was doing some role plays. Okay, it's not too far. And I don't care if this goes away. It was still actually there. I have to start a new game to be able to. What the fuck? A brand new revolution. Oh well. Alright. Disappear, buddy. Alright, fine. I'm just gonna take this bad boy, this cop car, out on a mission. And I did this on my PS4. I want to steal a helicopter. And I don't know why. But let's do this shit. Let's go get our helicopter. This is probably not gonna be our proper helicopter, but you never know what we could do with it. Let's turn on our lights. And I'm sorry, cop car, but I'm gonna lose you, man. It was nice doing role plays with you, dog. Okay. But this video will be me stealing the firefighter helicopter, EMS helicopter, whatever you want to call it. Look over here, guys. And the other helicopter, let's go actually to the other side first. Let's actually take away our gun. Yep. There we go. I don't know, man. Okay, let's go up here. Now, hopefully, guys, there's gonna be a helicopter here. If there's not gonna be a helicopter here, I'll be pretty pissed off. And we're gonna probably motherfucking gonna have to. There is no helicopter here whatsoever. Fine. We could do a different mission now. Now, a different mission is we could probably get a charger, a police charger. But no, I don't want that. Should we just go ahead and customize my new car or something? Or like customize the car that I have better than what I have right now? You can see, I'll go to the police station right now. I can't believe my police car is... Wait a minute. If I store this... Hold up. I'm gonna go for it. Again. Guys, I have something to say, actually. If I... So you're telling me that I can keep my... You're telling me that I can keep my police car. Alright, guys. Now our question is, can we customize our car, our police car? Now that we still have it, can we customize it? Let's see. If we can, look. If we actually can, I'm gonna be amazed, like that ass. Now the thing is, I forgot I can't fly a helicopter on PC. Because for some reason, it's legit fucked up. You saw that helicopter, my guy? Oh, the only way we can get a helicopter is this. Let's see if first mission is get our car clean. If we can, customize our police car. Second mission is let's go to a special place where you can get a helicopter. And by the time we get to the helicopter, if we get it, I'm gonna end the video there because, I only have like 15 minutes to record. Let's go over here. This is one of the places. Now that we're here, we don't need this. I remember this one is not available. Cop vehicles cannot be modified. See? Alright. Second thing we could do right now is let's go to a the helicopter place, which is legit right here. It's a little bit farther than I thought it would be, but let's do this shit. We got 5 minutes to get there. Come on, we can do this shit. Whoa, buddy. Oh, you wanna fight with the cop car, eh? You wanna fight with the cop car, eh? Oh, this nigga following me. Alright, bro. I'm sorry, but I'm faster than you. I don't know why you're chasing me for, but okay. Thank you for pulling over, my guy. Pull over, buddy. Whoa, buddy. Oh my god. Bitch. Better go, motherfucker. Stop crashing the cop car, bro. Damn. Hey, Officer 93, why did you aim at that? Bro, shut up. So it's around here, guys. Oof! Almost crashed to a resident. Now, let's pray that there will be a freaking helicopter over here. If not, fuck. I think I see one. Negative. No helicopter to be seen. Fuck. Well, Are you serious? Oh, we can always go to the airport. We could always go to the airport. Alright. Let's go. Let's head to the airport. Now, this is this mission is to get a helicopter. Sorry, buddy. You can't complain. I didn't even crash you, bro. Anyways, I'm trying to get there as fast as I can. I am a cop either way. Off duty. Get through in between these two, in between those. This way. I don't know what that was. Is it this way? Yes, this way. Woohoo! We're flying, bro. Police coming through. What the fuck? This is gonna be our escape route anyways. Our police car is gonna be our escape. Let's go down. Nope. No. Way better. Actually, I want to go this way. Because we might get police on us. So, I'm gonna end it here, guys. I'm gonna upload this video. I'm gonna go to upload this video. Whoa, dude. I'm gonna just park my car right here before I end the video. Okay, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember, if you're new, leave a like and subscribe, and we'll continue on the mission. Thank you guys, and goodbye.